so happy about this new building. I almost cried in tears when I saw it.
So many programs in the school are advancing with their technology, and so I feel like more students are gonna be encouraged to join these programs because they see that they're advancing, and the more people come to this building, they get so interested.
There are so many aspects of the building that have changed. The cafeteria, for example, is now a wonderful area for kids to dine in. Our buildings are amazing. This is a really older community school. Once the renovations, now that they're completed, it is truly a 21st century building.
This room right here is used for the band hall, and so our students will actually get the live sound that we need to hear so we can fix our intonation problems and sound more as professionals. Also, we have lockers now. The students will be able to have storage so that not only their instruments, but the books and stuff.
But like seeing how big it is and everything, how we have more room, we got new stands and new chairs. We were waiting for this for so long.
It's like getting a new house. One of our classrooms is going to be able to turn into a range. So we have our marksmanship team, air rifle team, that's going to be able to practice. Really, our plans here for this facility is to continue to mold it and make it a great learning environment and a good environment for our kids to learn and to help them succeed in life.